Salam Lashids, Eid Mubarak! Mina team here, I'm Romina. I'm the in-store trainer manager and I have some of my colleagues here today so we can talk more about Eid al-Fitr. Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
Yeah. Salam Rashid. I'm Yara. I'm the creative leader here.
Hi, my name is Yasmin and I'm also known as Jazz. I'm the art worker from brand support.
Salam, I am Aisha, brand marketing specialist.
Salam Lashids, I'm Yasmin and I'm the content manager at Mina.
So Yasmin, can you tell us what is Eid al-Fitr?
So I'll take a step back. I would like to first talk about Ramadan. Ramadan is a holy month for all the Muslims across the world. And it is the month where we fast from the break of dawn till sunset. And at sunset, we gather together with friends and families to have our iftar, which is our food. And that takes about 29 days or so. Muslims have a calendar that is based on the moon cycles. So the mark of Ramadan, the beginning of Ramadan, is when we see the crescent moon. And the mark of Eid, which is the first day after the end of Ramadan, which is the following month, is again a crescent moon. Eid, we have two Eids every year. The first Eid is Eid al-Fitr, and it is a 2 to 3 day celebration after Ramadan. And that is where we gather with friends and family and celebrate the month of fasting. And it's kind of a reward and joy and gratitude for having, such great deeds done during the month of Ramadan.
Aisha, can you tell us what do we do in Eid al-Fitr and how do we celebrate it?
Wow. Eid al-Fitr is a special occasion for me. I love when me and the family come together, especially with my daughter. So we start preparing for Eid in advance, like from the mid of Ramadan. So we start by applying henna on our hairs, like buy the clothes, go to the tailors, and then buy like very nice jewelries, accessories, buy gift for our friends and family. For me, it's more about getting together, sit with my family, like have a nice like talk, laugh, we share ideas. It's a nice and a special moment for me.
Yeah, don't forget to eat sweet also.
Yes, and buy sweet as well. Bake cookies as well. So we 3 days before the Eid we start to bake. Like the house smells vanilla. One of my favorite night is when we apply all henna. So we stay until morning sometimes to do like henna, decorate our bodies. I'm a big fan of henna's night.
I really love the details.
Yeah.
The crescent moon and the stars. It's beautiful.
Yeah, exactly.
Jazz, so you meet all the family during Eid al-Fitr and you want to make sure that you're looking 10 out of 10, feeling 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So how do you prepare for Eid?
I think the most exciting part in Eid for me is when I gather with my friends and we go shopping for Eid. We don't just shop for clothes, we shop for the Eid shower. This is where you start taking care of yourself extremely, and this is where we do everything shower the night before Eid. We start taking care of our hair, our body, our skin. We go to the salon, men go to the barber, and it's usually very crowded. We enjoy that time.
Yeah, and the glam.
Oh yeah, after all of that care, of course, we will be glamorous, and yes, it smells amazing. And all of us girls, we will look naturally beautiful. After all the mess that happened in Ramadan and in the kitchen, we will look fabulous, and this is the best part for me in Eid, after gathering with my family, of course.
So Yara, how does Ramadan and Eid make you feel?
Yeah, I really love Ramadan first. I will talk about Ramadan. I really love this month. It's really let you find your light inside you, and it's all about like sweet togetherness with your family and with your friends.
To enjoy the quality time with
With iftar.
on the table and enjoy eating for 30 days in a row.
Also in Ramadan, you always like focus to hydrate our skin because you are not eating much and drinking much water. So you need to focus with your skin and hydrate it with moisturizer and use all the good quality product.
100% Yara. I'm just going to chime into that point. In Ramadan, we tend to have more time for ourselves. And that is the time where I come back home after work, put a mask on to hydrate my skin, put a hair mask as well to hydrate my hair. And it's throughout that whole month since we have that time to look after ourselves, inwards and outwards. I think it's great to have, as you said, really good quality products.
Yeah. And for Eid, it's a party time. It's a really fun time to be with your friends and family. It's all about wearing new clothes and go with your friends and family and give them like a gift and also idea.
Exactly,
Love idea.
I love it too.
Me too.
And, I always make sure to get my friends stuff from Lush. This is where I spoil my friends. I remember last Eid, I got my friends Crush lip balm. And I also got them a lip scrub, but in the second Eid. So this is where they have a combination to take care of their lips.
Also, kids love idea because my kids, they just count down until Eid comes. So they wanted to know how much money they will get in their pocket, so they can plan their gift, what they want to give for their friends and what they want to buy for themselves. So it's like the day before they start to come, it's like, Mommy, how much I will get or what I will get. So they want to know if it's a gift from outside, it's a gift from Lush or a cash money. So they always
also
love
get a cash money.
So I'd like to get idea as well.
We love idea.
We hope this video gave you some insights about Ramadan and Eid and how we celebrate these golden times and golden vibes of the year.
Ramadan
Kareem and Eid Mubarak.
مع السلامة.